welcome back everybody. So what I'm gonna do is the final watering. It's gonna be all my microbes, my little lineup, and obviously I'm gonna add some. Actually, I gotta add these. These are microbes. Yeah, so anything that is regulated microbes in liquid form or in powder form, I'm gonna add it into this 5-gallon. So I'm just letting this aerate, brew for like maybe for a few hours. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna chill, smoke, watch a movie, and then go back at it. So I'm gonna let this aerate, and then we're gonna do a mixture of my microbes. This is gonna be an instant tea. Water it in, and then we'll see what we do inside the tent from there. All right. So that's it for now. The microbes, good old microbes, mycorrhizae, root inoculants, and beneficial microbes. Alright everyone, we'll see you guys in a bit. Peace, love, and health. Alright, laters.